Alright guys, so welcome to the video, and in this video we'll be talking about the reasons why your video are having 0 views, 0 or less than 10 views. If you are posting and you notice that you don't have any views, YouTube is not pushing your video, you're having less than 10 views, gather here, this video is for you. I'll be explaining and giving you 6 good reasons why your video is not having views. Having views on your video on YouTube is very easy. So if you are not having views, these are the 6 reasons you are not having views. So don't let us waste time and let's get straight to the video. Alright, the first reason is uploading too much. If you are just starting a YouTube channel or you are just going on YouTube, uploading too much is not the right thing to do. Uploading too much. So if you are a person that is uploading too much, or you upload a video, you see that your video do not have views, after a few hours you upload, or if you are someone that has the mentality that let me upload different videos, plenty videos on YouTube so that I can quickly get a lot of subscribers and a lot of watch hour, no, that mentality is wrong. The reason is that if you are just growing and YouTube is just looking for an audience for you, once you post a video, they will try to look for an audience for you for that video. Maybe they want to push your video to 100,000 people today. They'll try to push that video to 100,000 people, that single video. But if you are not patient and you post 3, 4, 5, 6 video, the 100k people they want to push it to, they will have to split those numbers among those videos. So by splitting them, it will not give them the exact data analysis they are looking for. So it's better for them to do that on a single video. They should push that single video more so that they're able to know the specific audience that wants your video. That's very better than pushing different type of content to different people. Like your video, if you are posting 5, 6 video, pushing those 5, 6 to different people. And also stressing the algorithm is very bad, because there is something that people usually say: if the algorithm doesn't like you, forget about it. So you have to make things easier for the algorithm to know your audience, push your content to the audience, collect data for your video, so that the next time you are posting, you'll be able to they'll be able to push your content to those audience that they have discovered for you. All right, so I will advise you to post once in a day if you are just growing, except you already have a particular audience and you already have a particular time usually post for your audience. But if you are someone that is just going for the first time, I will advise you to post 1 long and 1 short a day. 1 long and 1 short a day. With that, everything will be very easy. Everything will be very easy. Second reason is account age. If you just open a YouTube channel today and you start posting today, YouTube might not push it out. The reason is because they will think the account is a boot account. The reason why is because maybe you haven't optimized your channel yet. And if you are looking for a way to optimize your channel, if you are looking for a video to guide you, there's a video, my first video, my second video, I taught about optimization of YouTube channel. I also put the link in the description down below. So if you are just creating a YouTube account from scratch, you might be getting 0 views because YouTube will think that it is boot. So after optimizing your channel, the first thing you have to do is to optimize your channel. Then after optimizing your channel, you have to engage with other videos so that YouTube will see that yes, this account is real, this account is operated by a real person, and with that YouTube will be sure that yes, this is not a boot. And one of the ways of optimizing your account is by putting a profile picture, creating a channel, putting a profile picture, putting a banner, putting a good name. In fact, optimizing it overall. That's why I said I'll put a link to the description of how to optimize your YouTube channel, so that YouTube will be able to know that yes, this channel is a real channel. Then you can start engaging, you can start liking people's posts, you can start watching videos, you can start commenting, so that YouTube will know that yes, this account is fully functional and active. And after 2 to 3 weeks, you can begin. But if you have an already active account of like 6 months, a year, that will be very better for you to start. If you have an account that is older, the more old your account is, the more likely YouTube pushes it, because the more older your account is, the more the more engagement that your accounts already have, because you will have been watching some videos, you will have been engaging. And if you are the type that you don't like engaging, you have to start doing that, because it is part of the record, so that you will be able to know that yes, this account is for a real person and just cannot just boot. I'll be explaining more about that in the next reason. All right, so moving to the third reason. The third reason is posting and ghosting. Posting and ghosting. YouTube recently released an update that they will only be pushing channels that the owners are helping the community. When I mean helping the community, that means you are actively participating in the community's growth. And how do you participate in the community growth? By watching videos, by liking, by commenting, by interacting, by staying long on the YouTube channel. So this thing is like give and take. If you are not on the channel, you are not long enough on the app, rather you are not long enough on YouTube, you are not to expect YouTube to push your channel. You are not. So if you are the type that you just open a YouTube channel just to post, you don't want to be interacting with other posts, you don't want to be watching video, you just post, you close the app and you hope for the best. No. That may be one of the reasons why your channel is having 0 views or low views. So you can start now by liking my video and commenting. Then once you post, take your time after posting, interact with other channels, watch any video of your choice, like, comment, subscribe to YouTube channels, so that YouTube will know that yes, you are actively participating and you're also helping in the platform growth. It's like give and take. So what you are not willing to give, who you are not willing to help, and you want to be helped. So that's how this thing works. You have to be actively participating in the community growth. You have to be at least actively participating in the community growth. Anytime you see a video that you like, watch it. In fact, if you post a video, once you post a video, watch it first. That will give you 1 like. Watch it. Once you watch it, you like your video, your own video that you post, you watch it, you like it, then you comment something nice. Apart from that, it also helps in building engagement. You comment something nice, you ask questions, so that those people that will watch your video, they can view your comments if you ask questions, and they can engage also on your video. So that's another reason. If you are not doing that, if you are the type of person that is just doing posting and ghosting, that will be absolutely another reason why YouTube is not helping you, YouTube is not pushing you, and YouTube is not making your video have any views, because they literally said it, that they are only helping channel owners who are at least actively participating in the platform. So I will encourage you to do that. Stay longer on YouTube app. If you know you want to become a creator that will earn money on YouTube, or you want to be a YouTube creator that you want to post and you want to get views, watch other people videos too. Participate, like, comment, then post something. Once you post, watch that same video you post. If you have 2-3 channels, go to that your second channel, go and watch the video you posted. Go to your third channel, watch the video you posted. Participate, like, comment, then you will see improvements. I guarantee you that. Another reason you might be having 0 views or low views is if you are not optimizing your videos properly. When I mean optimizing, I mean your titles, your thumbnail, your hashtags, your description. If you are not doing them the right way, getting views will be very difficult. Optimization is giving the YouTube algorithm a specific road, like helping the YouTube algorithm know that yes, this is the type of audience I want. You know, if you did not do that, if you did not optimize it, YouTube will just take your videos to different people, suggest it to different people, which has its own advantage and disadvantage. The advantage is that a lot of people will see your videos, fine, but the disadvantage is that what if YouTube takes those videos to people that are not interested in that video? They will not click it, they will not watch it, and with that you will have a low view ratio, which will discourage the algorithm from pushing it further. But if you optimize those, your hashtags, your title, your thumbnail, and your description well, you will have already given the algorithm a specific audience that you want. making it sure that yes, those audience are ready to watch that your video, and once YouTube take it to them, they will watch it, which will even make YouTube push it further. So optimizing your video helps. I've also done a video on how to upload a video that will go viral. I also put the link in the description down below, so do well to watch it. How to upload a video that will go viral. It will teach you how to optimize your videos perfectly, from thumbnail to your description to your title to your hashtags. How to do all that perfectly so that you won't have any issues. And once you optimize them, you are giving YouTube the specific direction to go to, and with that, your views are almost guaranteed. The fifth and the most important reason is content value. What type of video are you posting? What value is your content giving? See, YouTube has a very powerful algorithm that analyze the video you post. If they see that that video you post is an already existing video, or that video is not giving value, is not giving enough value as possible, it will be very, very difficult for you to have views. So if you are the type that you are just posting, you are just creating random videos through some AI software that gives little or no value, it will be very, very hard for you to have views. Honestly, that's why I see that videos that go viral a lot are videos that gives value. They are videos that gives value. So if you are the one that is growing, just growing, post something that will give value. Post something that you know that people will see, and people will be very, very happy to watch that video. Post something that is valued. Let YouTube push your content by force. Let YouTube push your content by force. The type of video you create, the value in the content you are posting depends, has a very, very high significance in the amount YouTube will push that video. So if you want YouTube to push your video, post a very quality and value packed content, especially you that is just growing. If you already have a very large audience, nice, when yes, okay, you want to post anything, you know that yes, you already have a loyal fan base that they will watch. But if you are the one that is just growing for the first time, you are the one that is speaking, make sure that the content you are dishing out is value packed one, so that YouTube will be able to push it. Because either you like it or not, YouTube do analyze videos. There are billions of videos on YouTube, and millions of people are posting every second. So YouTube will analyze video, and the one that is the most value packed one is the one that they will be eager to push. If they see that a type of video is already on the internet before, or is already on YouTube before, and you post it and there's no significant change, you don't add any significant value to it, they won't push it, they will just ignore it. So the value of your content is very, very important and key. Then the last one is account verification. Very, very important. And I'm talking about account verification. I'm not talking about those blue tick on your account or those big channel verification. No. If you want to do the account verification now, I'll show you the step on how to check if your account is verified, and if your account is not verified, also the process on how to do it. All right, so I'll be showing you that now. All right, to check for the account verification, the first thing you have to do is go to www.youtube.com/verify. www.youtube.com/verify. So once you have done that, you wait for it to load. www.youtube.com/verify. So once your account is verified, you see something like this: phone number verified. Your phone number has been verified. But once it is not verified, they will show you an option to add your phone number, then your country code. Then you can add it. Then they will send you an SMS to verify it. then you send the code they send to you back to them and verify it. Very, very simple. The reason for this verification is so that YouTube can know that, number one, you are real. Number two, they can know your geography. So if you are using a Nigerian number to verify, they'll show your content first to Nigerians. If you are using a UK number to verify, they'll show your content first to UK. Like that. So depending on the number used to verify, that is what they will show your content to. Then with time, they can now start showing your content to other people. All right, so guys, do this: www.youtube.com/verify and check if your account is verified. It is very, very important, very, very important, so that YouTube will know that yes, you are real, you are an human, you are not a bot, so that they can take your channel serious and verify you in time. All right, so that will be the end of this video, and please make sure you watch my previous videos so that you will understand better on how to optimize your channel, your video, how to upload a video that will go viral. And see you in my next video. Good luck.